all the used machines I've got, this is the best looking air filter I've seen. But I'm still gonna replace it. Painted clutch cover looks a little bit better than that color. Put your reservoir on and hose in place before you put the shock in. Not a lot of fun getting that in there. Another thing that was missing when I got the bike was there was no pin in this bolt that holds the rear brake pedal on. A little bit of grease. Getting that pin in there isn't going to be an easy thing to do.